In the next few minutes, I will show you how to add color swatches to your product pages step by step, a simple way to improve customer experience and boost your sales. So the color swatches are clickable options on your product pages showing the availability of the colors of one product. To do this process or to get started, we must need an actual store already been set up. So you have the link down below in the description if you wanted to get started with Shopify for free for a few days. Now that we have the actual access of the Shopify, let's get started with the most important part, which is checking out our products. So now here, let's go directly into Shopify. Let's click into Home. The Home section is where you can locate everything about the dashboard, everything about a little bit of reviews, recommendations directly from Shopify, and much more. Now today, let's focus directly inside adding this product and make sure that we have a product into our Shopify in order to add the color swatch. So let's go directly here to Shopify. Let's go into products. Here into products, you can see the link of all the products and all the lists that we have added. So to add one product, you can click into the upper side here where it says add product. Now let's click into the section that says title, where you can start adding your own title, the description, the media, the category, and more stuff that are fitable for your product. So usually here we have this section that says variants. Now into variants, we can add options like, for example, the size, the color, and much more. So if you wanted to focus into the option name, which in this case should be the color, we have the option values. So for example, I can add the color of black color, white color, and red color. When I hit into done, here you can check out that here we have the options of variants. So variants can be helping you to locate how is going to be looking your product when you downloaded the image, and you can import here your image. So that means that if I add a custom t-shirt into media, and down here I can upload the specific color of the variant, for example, black, white, and red. When you have focused and done this process, your product should be looking a little bit like this. We have the title, the description, the media, and much more. Now you can check out that we have the color and all the colors added as variants. Now, how can we make sure that this product appeared into color swatches? If you focus into the upper side where it says preview, this one should be leading you directly into the product page where you can check out how it actually looks your product. So we can see that we have the title, we have the price, and here are the colors, and all of them will be changed as you clicked into different options. Now to change these elements, to change this variant, to change, for example, the design of my colors, we needed to add a third party to upgrade more elements of my store. To do that, let's go back into Shopify. I'm going to click into Home. Back into Home, let's go into Applications. Into Apps, just clicked and type the word color swatched. Now here you have the GLO color swatch. If you don't have any of this particular recommendations, just click into search in the Shopify App Store. Once you clicked in them, it's going to be sending you directly into the Shopify App Store where you can check out more applications that can be helping you to do this process. For this tutorial, we're going to be using the GLO color swatch because this one has a free plan available. Even it has a free trial available, and then if you want to add more stuff, you have a current plan. Once you have granted the access, we can go back into the Shopify App Store and close this tab because we won't need this right now. So you can hit into install and update. Now that you have done this process into the left part, we have here the application. You can pin this if you wanted to. Now we can check out that we have the option list of the colors that we can add, the syncing our online store, global settings, the appearance, the product group, adding more boost sales, conversions, and much more. Today, let's focus only into the option list. So here I have the color, and here I have the option. Let's click into configuration. If I clicked here, we can check out that here are the color swatches that appears into our product. So that means that here, for example, my item is white. The preview should be appearing as a white. The item is green, the transparent, and so much more. Let's add a new color just to see how this set is been done. I'm going to click into my set of the color, which in this case here it is. And let's say that this one is orange with a little bit of yellow. So this is my set number 1. So this is how it should be looking, and if I enable this, it should be appearing into my products. Once you have added the color swatch priority, I'm going to hit into save. Now let's go back and let's import this directly into our products. So if I select here my color image type, this is how it should be appearing, our color image type. The free version only have this first option, which I think it actually helps us, and it does look well. So I think that this one is no problem at all. Now let's go click into product groups. And into swatch, I'm going to change the hover animation feature. So here we can add in a specific border colors and preview how it should be appearing our product with this new color swatched. So here we can change from shapes into squares, fit text, circles, and check out the size of the colors. The spacing, let's try to do something easy. Alignment to the center and type only as a single content. We can check out the thickness and check out the default color, the hover color, select color, animations, scaling this up, and you can check out the animation when you just pass it out your clicking here. The next thing is to add this into my product. To make sure this one is available into my product, I wanted to go now into the online store. Into my online store, let's click here and focus into the right section where it says customized. Now before we continue, I can totally suggest you that if there is a current update for the current theme that you currently have, you might want to add this update into your store so you can have the most of your store and there are no errors or problems when people are checking out your website. So let's hit now into customize. Inside customize, I'm gonna hit into the upper side that says home page, products, and my default product. This page is the default template that I want to apply to all my products. And here I want to make sure that here into this left section I have the variant picker. Now here I can add my own block and make sure that the application has been imported into my product, which in this case the product bundles combo. So I select it and I make sure that here it appears the color of my product, which in this case I'm going to focus into save, 3 dots, and view. When I view how it actually looks my product, let's go here into the catalog, select my product, and scroll down to make sure that the color swatched appear now into your store. And as you can see, here it is, even with the animation already been enabled. When I clicked into them, the image should be changed as I choose the color swatched. And that is how we can actually make the setting of this color. So a pro tip, you can ask a friend or a colleague to test your store and provide some feedback if you wanted to. For the best customization, or if your theme doesn't support swatches, you can consider supplies like the Shopify or more applications that can be helping us with this process without having to install third-party suppliers. So adding the color swatches is a small change that makes a big difference for your Shopify store. So if this tutorial was helpful for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you can check out more stuff about Shopify and the product customization. Thank you and see you next time.